Welcome, today I'm with Marshall Minor 2 earphones and I'll show you how you can power on or power off this device. When you take a look right here around this micro USB port, you can find this LED indicator. It's right here, and as you can see it's blinking, so it means that our device is turned on. To power off, you have to click and hold this gold button for 3 seconds. So let's make it right now. Click and hold. When this indicator flash on the red color, it means they are turned off right now. So to turn them on, you have to do the same. Click and hold for 3 seconds. Click, hold. And right now you can release. You will also hear notification when you put them to your ears when you are starting this power on feature. So yeah, that's how we can activate or deactivate this wireless Marshall Minor 2 earphones. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.